Hello, my beautiful ultimate action taker, and today we are going to discuss the 3 ways that you can really grow your YouTube channel in 2019, and it's things that people are not telling you.
Veena V.
Hello, and what is going on? My name is Veena V, and I'm here to fire you up to be an ultimate action taker and help you create effortless YouTube videos. If you are not part of Team Action yet, make sure you click subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I am so excited because I'm going to be releasing so much good content. 2019, that is going to be the year. We say it every year, but it's going to be the year 2019. Just going to be so much free stuff on this channel, tutorial tips on how to grow your channel, how to get more views, how to be more confident on camera, and just loads of social media tips for you as well, so you can do what you want to in life. Okay, today we are talking about then 3 ways how you can really grow your YouTube channel in 2019, and it's things that people are not talking about. There are so many videos out there on YouTube, including my channel, that are giving you the top 10 ways to have a successful channel, the top 20 ways to get more views. And there's a lot of stuff already out there, and I'm sure you know so much of it already. First thing being that you need to be creating quality content, and we hear everyone say it, and we all know that. We all know that. But guess what? It's so true. This isn't one of the ways, by the way. Just hold on a second. We do need to address this issue of quality, because some people are like,
oh, I do all these tips, or I follow all the advice, and my channel still isn't growing.
And then I go and look at their videos, and the content just is not good. You need to be really critical with yourself. You need to record a video, edit it, watch it back, and really analyze yourself, analyze the video and see, okay, what can you do better next time? What can you change? How can you up your quality? And it's not just quality in the terms of having a good camera, it's the quality in how you're presenting to camera, how you're coming across. Are you letting your personality shine? I used to teach a group of kids at my son's school. It was called YouTube Club. And I always used to say to them every lesson, let your personality shine. Because they were just copying all these American beauty gurus and all these other gamers. And again, it's so cliche, but you need to be yourself. Nobody can be you. Okay, so we've got that out the way now. Bang it into your head, your beautiful head. Quality content. But right now, let's get into tip number 1, and it's to upload every day. Some of you already are like, what is going on here? I can't upload every day. Okay, I want to give you a little story here to really emphasize the point I'm trying to make to you. Imagine me, I'm calling my friend up, and I'm giving them 2 hours notice. I'm saying, hey girl, come and meet me today in 2 hours time. My friend is gonna be like, Veena, I ain't coming to meet you. It's cold, it's raining, no. I'm like, oh, okay. Put the phone down. Beyonce calls them up. 1 second later, they ask my friend the same question. My friend drops everything and runs to meet Beyonce. The point of that analogy is we all have priorities in life, and you give the most time and attention to what your priority is. So their priority wasn't meeting me because I talk to them every day. They don't really want to see me. But when Beyonce calls, they drop everything because their priority is to meet Beyonce. I just hope that emphasizes the point. So going back to what I just told you, tip number 1, upload every day. I know you haven't got the time. Trust me, I ain't got the time either to upload every day. I'm a single mom, I run my own business, I've got multiple YouTube channels, which is a full-time job in itself. I've got a house to look after. This house is currently a mess, I get it. You haven't got the time. but you will make the time. If you are really serious about growing your YouTube channel in 2019, you will make the time to batch film videos and then upload them every day. Now, I don't want you to get burnout. I don't want you to be like, oh my God, this is all getting too much for me, and it can become overwhelming. So why don't you do what I'm gonna do? From January 2019, I am gonna upload a video every day for a month. Then, if I can find a way to keep doing it for another month and another month, that's what I'm gonna do. When you've got a big goal in life, you need to break it down. So the goal for tip number 1 is upload every day. How can I fit that in? Break that goal down. Well, breaking it down by saying, look, we are gonna upload for 30 days in a row. Or why don't you try and do every other day? Or if you're only doing 1 video a month at the moment, why don't you make it your mission from January 2019, or if you're watching this in 2020, for you to upload once a week, okay? It really does make a difference. When I uploaded every day on my channel, I think it was about 1.5 years ago, my YouTube views went up, my YouTube subscribers went up, and I also got, which is the most important thing, I got much more engagement. People felt, and maybe you were one of those people that came across me then, you probably felt that we were mates, that you know, you knew I was going to be there every day and I was giving that quality content on a daily basis. Then I stopped, and then ever since I've been highly inconsistent. But we are going to change that for 2019. Number 2, the comment section down below. The comment section is so important. We just briefly touched on it then. Engage with your audience, but keep watching because there's a little bonus here. Not only should you be replying to every single comment. If you are like me and you are still a small YouTuber, you have to dedicate some time, even if it's once a week, 15 minutes, reply to every single comment. Heart the comments that you like the comments that you like. The more engaged that you can be with your subscribers and potential subscribers, it's gonna be much more better for your channel, and the people that haven't subscribed, they're more likely to subscribe to you as well. So girlfriend and boyfriend, what are you doing? Right now, actually no, wait, watch this whole video first, but after you've watched, go on your channel, and if there's a comment, even if it's from last year, go back and respond to every single comment. There's really no excuses. Now, bonus. The bonus tip is go on other people's channels. If you have not started to do this already, go on other YouTube channels and write comments in their comment section. And there's a warning with this, do not spam people. If I see one more person write in my comment section below, oh, any new YouTubers here, or sub for sub, I've got a little reality check for you here. You probably didn't know this, but a lot of your comments, if you're writing sub for sub or subscribe to me and I'll subscribe to you, a lot of those comments aren't actually appearing in the comment section. They are automatically filtered into the trash section of my comment section and other YouTubers as well. So you're basically wasting your time. So don't do it. What is a better way to do is comment on other people's YouTube videos with thoughtful comments. I'm not saying go on every single person's channel and be like, oh, I love this video so much. Oh, I love it. You can add something to the discussion. If your channel is about, I don't know, beauty as an example, and you do the most gorgeous eyeliner, you might go on other people's videos that have also made videos about how to apply black eyeliner and comment in the section. You could say, wow, great technique. I do it a slightly different way by doing X, Y, and Z. So you're not telling people to go and subscribe to your channel. You're not saying, hey, I've got a new video. You're basically putting a thoughtful comment. The more engaged that you can be with people in general on YouTube, I promise you it will grow your channel next year. Now, before I reveal tip number 3 on how to grow your channel in 2019 and beyond, I want to ask you something really quickly, and I want you to comment below A, B, or C. Next year, I'm thinking about putting some really great YouTube programs together, but I want your advice. What would really help you right now? If you're really struggling on even making videos or growing your YouTube channel, which ones out of these next few ideas I'm about to tell you would really help you out? So A is an idea to have a monthly membership. So every month you would pay, I don't know, $20 maybe a month. I don't want to price it really high. I think 20 is fair. And every month we will focus on something new. So one month it might be all about how to create great thumbnails, you know, how to make your image clickable and people want to click on it, things like that. So there's going to be a topic every month. It's a rolling membership. Comment below A if you would join that. Idea B is to have a kind of maybe 1 month program where the price will be slightly higher, but you're going to be part of this really exclusive group of maybe only 20 people. And by the end of the month, you will have a plan, a strategy for your YouTube channel for the next 12 months. But by the end of a month, you will know other YouTubers, you will get that one-on-one time with me as well. And again, we will really grow your YouTube channel. Or idea C is having a course. So I've done some courses in the past, but I really want to develop this kind of ultimate YouTube course for beginners that covers everything. But you won't get that one-on-one time with me, but it will be a course that you can take in your own time. Again, we'll cover thumbnails, how to get your videos to rank on YouTube. Everything that you would expect from a course about YouTube will be in it, plus more. So please comment below A, B, or C. What idea would you like? Okay, number 3 then is all about interviewing people. Now, this is slightly different to collabing. A lot of people will tell you about collab with other YouTubers. So you do a video on someone else's channel and someone comes to yours and does a video. Now, sometimes that isn't always possible. You might reach out to another YouTuber and you just don't hear back from them. Or maybe they're busy, maybe your schedules are clashing. One great way to really build yourself on YouTube, and I've seen my personal brand really grow, is by interviewing other people. I believe that there is success out there for everyone, and isn't that such an amazing thing if you interview someone and they get business from it or they get followers? Isn't that an amazing thing? And I know what you're thinking, like, oh, but it's my time and effort. Don't be like my old mindset. There's enough success out there for you. There is enough success out there for that person down the road, okay? You need to really work. Why am I doing this? I'm like a bird. You really need to work on your mindset for that, for this tip. And like I said, interviewing people is a great way for you to be recognized. Yes, people might not be subscribing to your channel, you might not make any kind of money from it, but you are building your own network. So see this tip number 3, in the terms of, yes, you are growing your YouTube channel because you're growing your network. Your network is your net worth. The more you can build your own connections, build your community, trust me, it works out in the long term. You might not see the benefits short-term wise by, going out and interviewing people, but I promise you, in the long run, your network is going to be so diverse, so large, you're going to have all these amazing connections with people. That is much more important than your ego. Okay? Get out there, be a happiness hunter, find what makes you happy, and be an ultimate action taker. Take action today, not tomorrow, because guess what? Nobody is gonna do it for you. You've gotta do it yourself. All right, on the screen now are some videos. Watch these next videos now, and also subscribe to the channel. If you want to send me a Instagram message, you can find me at official Veena V.
Don't know why. I believe we'll find a way from far behind.